Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe, like, and comment what I should do next. And today we're doing another account giveaway. But first, I gotta make the account, so let's get right into it. I will create a girl account, but I will create some boy accounts in the future. Password is low123. And try not to message this account to ask if you can have it, because if it's online, my stepsister usually plays on my accounts. So you're free to just log in and take the account and change the password if you like. Yes, Pixie, we get it. Let's just level up one level. Just so I can get stuff. Okay. Now, just gonna level it up and stuff. I love these. Yeah. So were they loved? And so yeah guys, so I'm just going to just quickly change what she's wearing. Even though the outfit's really ugly. Hold on a second, I was gonna stick with the noob top. Which kinda goes with the outfit. Okay. Back onto YouTube. Okay, so now I'm just going to change the face for you guys. Put his face. Okay guys, so thank you so much for 22 views on one of my videos. And yeah, I'm just really happy. Ah, how rude. And guys, if you get this account to level 16, I will buy it week VIP. I think I made a spelling mistake there. Yep, I did. Okay guys, so I'm going to end this video very soon. I'm sorry, I know it's not the longest video, but it's just me making an account to give you guys. And feel free to log in and take it. The password is low123. You don't have to message the account just to check if you can have it. If it's online, someone might already have it, or my stepsister might be on it. So okay, you guys, so this is all I'm going to do. And if you get it to level 16, I'll buy it VIP. Okay, bye guys.